In this video, we'll cover the use of Boolean operators and nesting as part of a search strategy. Boolean operators are words that are used to connect search terms in order to narrow or broaden your results. And will retrieve articles that include all of your search terms. This results in a higher specificity but a fewer number of results. Or will retrieve articles that contain any of your search terms, so you'll end up with more results. Not is a way to exclude certain search terms from your results. If you are interested in finding articles on leadership and educators, you can combine your search terms with an AND in order to only retrieve articles that include both of those search terms. Use the Boolean operator OR when you're trying to retrieve articles on a subject that can be described with more than one search term. For example, educators or instructors or teachers. Keep in mind that when you use OR, you'll not only find individual articles that include any of those search terms, but you might find a combination of all of them. OR is most often used in a search strategy called nesting. Nesting allows you to search for a word and its synonyms all at one time. For example, educators or teachers or instructors. In this search strategy, we're utilizing Boolean operators and nesting in order to retrieve articles on leadership and educators or teachers or instructors. Using the Boolean operator NOT allows you to control and refine your results by excluding terms that you don't want to retrieve. For example, cancer treatment, not lung, so that you don't retrieve articles about lung cancer treatment. Project manager, not construction, so that you don't retrieve results that include construction project managers. Primate studies, excluding gibbons, and leaders not in the field of education. Be sure to use this Boolean operator with caution because it's easy to exclude concepts that you may not have considered, like the education of leaders. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at library@fielding.edu.